Happy holidays! I'm Alex.
I'm Kaylee.
And we are Pinter Whitnick.
And for tonight's Christmas Eve show, our drink pairing is a chai hot toddy.
So before we start preparing the rest of the drink, we're going to get the tea ready. So we're just steeping 1 serving of chai tea.
That smells so good. It smells like Christmas. And for this drink, we'll be building it in the glass. So we will have, for our spirit, E&J Brandy. We're going to do an ounce of that as well as an ounce of Frangelico, which is a hazelnut liqueur.
Frangelico is an awesome liqueur that we definitely suggest having around because it's great for holidays, Christmas time. But you could also use something like a butterscotch schnapps, which would also be super tasty.
You can also pour it a little bit more gracefully than I just did.
So now that we added an ounce each of the brandy and the Frangelico, we're going to just top this glass up with tea. Obviously, the more tea you add, the weaker the drink will be, which may be to your liking.
And to garnish this drink, we'll have 1 Star Anise, we'll have a cinnamon stick, and 2 Whole Cloves. Just drop those in there. Whew. Make it look really
Beautiful.
pretty.
And at this point, if you want to give it a little stir and help all those awesome flavors mix up. And there we have the chai hot toddy. We hope you enjoy our Christmas Eve show.
Happy holidays to you and yours.
And cheers. It is really good.